What's up, YouTube? Got a question for you. Maybe you guys can help me. You hear this in the background, and I'm noticing it. I don't know what's causing that. If you can hear that clicking in the background, I need you guys. I did this. That's on the HD channel. This is on regular cable. It's no longer there. So if you guys could help me, I need to figure out how to get rid of that clicking noise. So any suggestions, anything you may have, please let me know. It's been going on for a while. It actually will get so bad it will actually shut down the receiver. I have the Onkyo TX-SR705, and if you could help me fix this issue, I'd appreciate it so much. I haven't had a chance to call Onkyo to figure out what the bug is, but I really don't want to call them because it's going to put on hold, I'm sure, and they're not going to wait. And I hate dealing with customer service, so I figured just ask the YouTube community for help. So if you have an idea on how to fix this issue, I'd appreciate it. It's just a clicking noise. When I had it on the HD channel, that clicking noise came up. When I have it on a regular standard definition channel, the clicking noise is gone. And I've noticed that when I turn off my PS3, my Xbox, and certain things will cause the clicking noise, especially like when a movie's loading up or something like that, it'll cause that clicking noise. So if you'd help me out with it, I'd appreciate it. If it's something I can fix, or if it's something I do have to call Onkyo about and figure out what they can do about it. Again, appreciate your help. Any answers below? Your answers below. Send me a PM if you want. Whatever. I appreciate any help you guys can give me. Like I said, if you you have to call Onkyo, then I guess I'm calling Onkyo. Anyway, thanks for your help, guys. I will catch you guys later. Peace.